In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy bonds using Robinhood. Investing in bonds can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, offering more stability and fixed returns. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand your financial knowledge, Robinhood is a popular platform that makes buying bonds straightforward and accessible. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to Robinhood's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Robinhood homepage. If you haven't already visited the site, you'll find it user-friendly with a clear layout designed to facilitate trading. Next, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the Login button on the homepage and click it. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your username and password. If you're a new user, make sure you have your account set up beforehand, as this tutorial assumes you're ready to begin trading. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the Robinhood homepage. This is where you can access a variety of investment options. For today's purpose, our focus will be on bonds, so let's keep going. Now it's time to search for the bonds available on Robinhood. Find the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the page or in the app interface, and click on it. This search function is a powerful tool that allows you to look up any stock, ETF, or, in our case, bonds available on Robinhood. Type bonds into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of potential matches appears below the search bar. Select the relevant result to proceed. This step will lead you to a page dedicated to the specific bond in which you're interested, providing you with detailed information about its features and performance history. With the bond page open, it's important to review all the relevant information provided. This includes understanding the bond's yield, maturity date, and other critical details. Taking the time to assess this information will help ensure you're making an informed investment decision. Finally, when you're ready to proceed with your purchase, you'll find a Buy button on the bonds page. Click on this button to initiate the purchasing process. Here, you'll enter the amount you wish to invest. Make sure to double-check all your entered information for accuracy before confirming the transaction. Once confirmed, the bond will be added to your portfolio. And just like that, you've bought a bond on Robinhood. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Investing in bonds via Robinhood can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your portfolio's stability. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!